Okay, what I'm going to say today makes me angry. And now you are wondering and asking yourself, what is it that makes Fortunate angry? We've never seen her angry. Okay, there is this thing called friendship. Okay, this thing is formed by friends. Well, and it is faked by enemies. Well, as you know, friendship is fenced by many, but a lot use concrete fence to cover their lies. Bosocabanga ukuthi mina ngisho inkondlo no ngeke mina ngimake sure ukuthi nginetabo sonkondlo. You know the stage sibe sabo. Mina futhi kudele ngangakusho futhi mina ngisuye sonkondlo. Anginibingele babukeli behlelo leni elihamba embili naleni lithandzako Dandla nenkondlo. Libito lami ngeke ngifortunate ngamabuza. Uyathi mase ukuthi nasibona futhi kwendekani. Uyathi mase ukuthi it's poetry and it's time for you to learn new things and it's time for you ukuthi ukhumbule lithalenta lakho yabo. Lo soluchithela lapha angathi ukuthi yini nemfolo vama kulivalela ngayo uyabona musi. Yayathi musi angifune bese sengicala ngisho ukuthi imfihlo tebamvulana ngeteloko. Kepha ke mbukeli uyathi ukuthi la ehlelweni lakho Dandla nenkondlo sikulethela sonkondlo kanye nalo wena umsebenzi weTandla angeke thina bese sikulethela sonkondlo nasonkondlo ngasiyaganga kepha ke thina sikulethela sonkondlo nalo wena umsebenzi weTandla sinake sonkondlo wethu nalo wena umsebenzi weTandla namuhla sonkondlo wethu ngisamukeliso utomuva ukuthi samukeliso ne poetry ngiyakwati wena wasenzaweni yakibo uyathi uthi samukeliso bekavama kuhlabahlabela but nyalo sonkondlo ngamjaji sonkondlo ungisonkondlo sengicale ngithi sonkondlo lo ngisamukeliso tiveleke mbukeke ukuthi samukeliso uthi poetry yini futhi ufika kanjani ka poetry futhi ufise kuchubeka kanjani nayo I poetry.
Don't give up. Don't give up and don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. This, my friend, is for you. The trials that you face and the dreams that you chase, you're behind in your race and you're straying from your pace. Your mind is scattered all over the place and you're desperate for space. Little did you know, this is your time to embrace. Don't give up and don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. So don't sit hour after hour while your tribulations tower. Don't forget the countless blessings every reach you have been showered. Find your strength and your powers to rise above the cowards. Be like the flower that gives off its scent when it's crushed and devoured. Don't give up and don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. You know, we tend to hide what's inside and waste time on what could have been. Isn't it a key to believe in our own identity? Your past brought you here and this is where it'll begin. Don't give up and don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. And yes, life can be quite a mystery and the key to success doesn't come free. But if you believe that this is all decreed, then what will be will be. But I guess not everything that we wish for is always guaranteed. But your efforts won't be fruitless. Don't ever think you're useless. We all serve a purpose. So please, don't feel hopeless. Don't give up. Don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. You know, we tend to forget who created us and molded us and made us human beings with the details and fashion of DNA and genes, who gave us the mind to judge our own actions and routines. By all means, don't give up and don't give in. There's always an answer to everything. So repel negativity with positivity and watch life bring every single possibility and have an attitude for gratitude. And if you want to be happy, that's exactly what we're meant to do. Don't give up and don't give in. There's always an answer to everything.
Mbukeli senginaye samukeliso makakula lo ngisonkondlo wethu namuhla uyathi ke mbukeli ukuthi bosonkondlo abakavami nje kuba njengasamukeliso akusinje samukeliso makakula but sorry and so the poet kepha ke utava ngayo ukuthi ungubani ufika nje niphinze ekubeni ngisonkondlo ngoba uyathi ukuthi mina bayaye babe nako lokungwarisha ukuthi these people they are now poets bafika njani ekubeni bosonkondlo. Samukeliso, welcome to the show. Umbukeli ke ufisile lokugwada utethule wena ukuthi ungisamukeliso uqhamuka kuphi?
Okay, ngiyabonga. Igama lami ngingisamukeliso ngakamakagula ekhaya kithi kusenkambeni. So nginalo ke igama lebunkondlo, igama lami lebunkondlo ngisemi.m.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, semi.m. Ufika njani ekubeni ngisemi.m?
Kusho ukuthi nje mangicala kubhala 2012 ngoba bekuyi-concert yasesikolweni emajaji lebeka khona lapho bekangakhoni kubita leli gama lami lelithi samukeliso. Manje njengoba banalo bukhuni lobo ke bathi hayi asimbite Semi. Then ngelo.m umelela sibongo sami Magagula.
Oh, that's nice and creative. Okay, uyaqala 2012 kwendi poetry bo reciter or bo submitter lokubhalile.
Bengibhala ngiphinde ngirecite.
Okay. Ngaluphi ilwimi? English or Siswati?
Bengihlangahlanganisa ngoba cishe ngathi ema languages lamaningi. Sikhona neSotho ekhathi, sikhona neSetswana, sikhona neSxhosa, sikhona neSzulu. Kuyashiyashiyana neSiswati ngiyabhala ngaso.
Okay, so from 2012 wachubeka ne-poetry throughout noma kwaba neminyaka lapho khona uthi no what, let me just pause ngidabuye ngendi poetry.
Ngingathi angeke ngize ngithi ngaphoza ngalokuphelele, but kukhona isikhathi labo khona bese ngingasa recite in public ngoba bese khona lese bengikwenda lapho ke ngoba ngiphindze ngishoot from bengiphotograph. Yeah, so kuba khona isikhathi sometimes lo kufuna ukuthi angisakwendi lokho ngisemile, but akusho ukuthi umuntu makede na something athi angibhale ngengibhale.
Okay, kahle kahle u-storyteller.
Precisely.
Okay, so you being a storyteller ubhala ngani? Yini imfolo lo yayuthi na uyibona uthi you know what, this is me, I can write ngalokho?
Ngiyathanza ukuthi kuhluka kancane ke ipoetry yami ayikasekelwe entweni lengibonako, angidingi inspiration yokuthi mhlambe ngibone liche bese sengiyabhala noma ngibone umfula ngibhale. Ngibhalana noma ngangani lofuna ngibhale ngayo. Uma utanje nalokuthide kuthi nginemshado ngifuna ukubhalela, ngiyakhona ukubhala. Bhala ngetinzanzane ngiyakhona ukubhala. Bhala ngamake ngiyakhona ukubhala. Ngingena ecathulweni tani noma ngangibani. In combat for my passion. They said that I would never make it, and such words left me cogitating, not so to ever mention the kind of tension that I ended up in. They went on to say I was pathetic, and such words left my heart soaking. It was as if I had been immersed into a deep pool of frustration. I had no choice but to start relenting from the love of poetry and its passion. But with the least passion remaining, I felt the zeal of poetry arising. It was harder than I was expecting. It eased and cooled my emotions. So my love for poetry shall remain still, and my heart shall keep on rejoicing, since poetry shall be prevailing.
So yini ngele yenda awena ukuthi ube ngilo Sonkhondlo longuye, what motivates you each and every day to be the poet that you are today?
Ngathi ngumuntu lothanza kwi-art, ngithanda i-art, then lokunye ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyaye ngaso sonke isikhathi ngicabanga beyond imvo nje lethite lengiyibonako. Ngiyaye ngithande kuyibeka ngalenye indlela mhlambe lehlukile kunekuthi ngikhulume ngendlela lefanako. Angithandi iroutine mayikhuluma kuba ngathi ufunzile lemvo, so uhlale uyisho ngaso sonke isikhathi njengana ngivusela ngalenye ilanga ngifuna ukuvusela ngalenye indlela lethite. So yeah, kuyimvole kanjalo.
Okay, so yini ngele kwenda uhluke kubo bonke boSonkhondlo, sebaningi boSonkhondlo lesibe nabo elihlelweni, yini ngele tawenda samukeliso ukuthi yena ahluke from the other poets?
Ngicabanga ukuthi nje kwakona lokuthi ngiwasenkambeni mhlambe lo munye senzaweni lethite kanjalo njalo, unemfula wakhe lohlukile nami nginewakami lohlukile njalo njalo, sibone izinto ezihlukile ekuphileni, so lokho kungenda ngihluke mhlambe ngandlela ethile.
Okay, so neminyaka ke lethe kuba miningana ka poetry, are you helping other poets noma uthi you know what guys, poetry it's a God-given talent, I can share?
Ngiyabasita kaningi labafika kokimi ngasikhathi labanye bayaye bathi angiba-edithele sami kule ngikhona kwenda, then nalabancane nje labathanza ukubhala ngiyabakhuthaza ukuthi ungabhala kanjani, and lokuhle ngepoetry akudingi ulandzele line lelithite lemumvu, ungabhala nganoma ngangiphi indlela bese udakhela yakakho indlela lensha kunekuthi uloku uhamba endleleni. Education. I was born in times of copious success. I needed support to conquer distress, but all that I had was a mind full of thoughts. I tactfully asked, what does future hold? Mindful of time and hopeful to rise, I had to decide, but really had to be wise. Education seemed hectic, so I had to play nice, but I had to be keen, for it was my key. Embraced with the light, I made it out to the light. Desisting dismays in narrow pathways I prayed, and God paved my ways. Now with the light, I could find my vision. Like trash in a bin, I debased all deceits. Education selection made me accomplish my missions, and so I could rise with eased up emotions. The fantasies and the fame will never be lame or else be delayed, for I will attain the good things belayed.
Kukhuthaza-ke the other poets at home laba ngadethembi ngoba ngiyanati nima poets but nibanako lokho bese sokuthi Aisha me being a poet Aisha I'm scared they're going to judge me. They won't judge you. Samkeliso ungabakhuthaza uthini-ke bosonkondlo bethu labanayo kwesaba but bafisile bayatibona mani bama-celebrity bayatibona baphumelela bayatibona bemela phaa kuma-events ba-recite.
I think maunale passion ngekhathi kuwe kufanele kube i-drive yakho beyond anything and everything ngoba uma ngabe le drive yakho kutaba ukuthi ufuna nje kuba famous kuyaye bese sekuyakulimata ngandlela thile ngoba utawecala etinye stage lokungafanele kodwa mawulandzela le passion yakho then with time obviously utawuba ngiloyo muntu lofise kuba nguye so ngingakhuthaza nje ukuthi balalele emakhaya ababhale labo labanesifiso sekubhala abachubeke babhala futhi uma kunelithuba noma ngabe bancane kanganani bamvula bakhona abakusherishe lokho lebanako mhlambe who knows someday bataba ngiloko lebafise kubanga.
Okay, kuvulwa tikola-ke Samkeliso kulamalanga. We have parents kunebantfwana labathanda ukuba bosonkondlo o labafisile kuba bosonkondlo but nangu lo mfana uhlala nemtali. Ungasicelela uthini kubatali emakhaya banebantwana who have talents?
Well, ngathi abavumele ukuthi ba-outshowe i-talent yabo baphinze babasekele ngale bangakhona ngako uma ngabe bafuna ama-aids lathide kuze bayi-perfecte i-poetry yabo abende loko labangakhona kwenda ngoba i-poetry iyabasita abamfana ngaphandle nje kokuthi mhlawumbe basuke bajabulisa lo muntu lebasuke ba-recitela yena baphinze futhi ngekwabo basitakale kubhala kukwenda uvele relief lethite bamfana labaningi ba undergo ama cases wayini babulishiwe and all that but uma babhala bamvumela bhale mfana kancane uyazola.
Okay, we do want to support you Samkeliso nembukeliso yasho lapha ekhaya ukuthi no ngiyamdzinga Samkeliso emcimbini wami ngiyamdzinga manje nginangumphana ekhaya ukuthola kanjani kumbukele?
Likhona likhasi-ke lenginalo ka-Facebook Semi's Poetry lo Semi spelling sakhona nge-SAMMIE lokusho ukuthi poetry-ke ungithola lapho ungisete kwanyalo Instagram page but ngiyaposta nakhona ema-videos so ma ufolele link lena la Facebook lo walandzela leli page lami kutabalula ukuthi bese uyangifollow.
All right, thank you so much Samkeliso for your time.
Kubonga mina kakhona.
Alright, mbukeliso tivele-ke ngaSamkeliso the poet ushido wathi ungisam.com. Angathi ukuthi ngisho kahle yini but-ke utawuva wena ukuthi fortunate Nciso ushido kabi. Kepha-ke nami ngindabe ngingatendi uyabona ngayo ukuthi kudinga ukuthi siyanathe mind sibahlole ititolo ungayinzawo sitawuchubeka nalo hlelo. Mbukelo lihlelo lakho lolithandzayo nalelihamba embili tandla nenkondlo soluhlelisene nathi-ke and siyajabula lokuthi wena manje udecide ukuthi hayi mani utohlala nesigubhu sakho semind lapha uhle uthi uthele eglasini ungasukumi ngoba wasukuma utoshiyeka and awukho ready ukuthi ushiyeke namaphepha emasidi akhe yabo lawo selwabekile lapha yangichaza mani kepha-ke namhla angithi nje angixolise ngeke size sakhe tihlanzi yabona mase nawungasathi-ke silanzi licansi namhla ngeke size sakhe tona sidabe strowa ngiyathi mani lokuthi sokuqalile wena lo draw uyaqala uba ngibetha sodwa sitshana nathi uthi yabona mfowethu mina ngiplan ngedraw nyalo futhi sengiredi ukuthi babukeli bangisupport nawe wena mtalo nemfana lo draw wako ngiyathi lokuthi mana umshiza awusawuphakamisi kakhulu soyathi ukuthi umfana maka lapha uyayenda le methe uyayenda le social phinze uyachubeka uyadraw uyatimisela le ngikhona khona namhla mbukeli ngisemandabeni nginemvebi wethu manje lofunza lapha esiphocosini high utadisho kena ukuthi ungibani ngami ngivame ukuthi bese sengisho bambatha hayi man mfowethu ushido kabi man you know me I'm a creative you know me I have a stage name yo bese nami sengiyacakeka ukuthi ngidawu introduce ngithini sikubingelele ehlelweni sikwemukele umbukeli kuyajabula kuba nawe mina sengishito wathi ngeke kube ngimana ngeke ngibe ngibethawe ukuthi ngiku-introduce utawutisho wena ukuthi ungubani wakabani uchamuka kuphi.
Ngibonga si-fortunate igama lami ngithabo ngwakashonga ngihlala emandabeni njengoshito ngifunda esiphocosini high school from 5.
Okay.
Ngumdwebi ngidweba ngepenseli ngenda i-art lebitwa ngathi i-realism
Okay, not realism. Okay.
Mhlambe ngachazisa realism.
Yes.
Yes, realism art is some form of art which focuses in like it portrays people or animals or things as they are in real life.
Okay, lokusho ukuthi Fortune ungamdrawer abe njengoba nje.
Njalo.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Njengoba njalo.
Okay, uqala nini ke draw?
Deba okay ngaqala benga grade 4 like iqala kudweba nje ukudweba ezisibantwana like most bantwana basiyayithanda kudweba especially bafana. For me I felt like it was something else because the first time ngaqala ngakhona and ngajabula so ngaqhubeka ngakwenda but I was drawing my cartoons animation from grade 4 up to grade 7. Double animation book or Kuma Super Strikers.
Yeah.
Those were my favorite. We made the kids. Like I would draw the whole comic book. Until then was not fair Form 1. I drew the whole part from 2, from 3 again.
Okay.
Until Form 4, 2012. It was COVID. I was COVID, but we not to it up.
So focus at ngatsini nje.
Ngatsini then ngoba the pandemic safade ekhaya. Fishing it was lucky for me or it was a pandemic but I was lucky because I had all the time and ngakhumbula ukuthi okay ngine-talent so I spent the whole time ukuthi ngente lona because besingayisikolweni.
Okay.
So ngaqala ke ngadweba ngaqala lapho and I wasn't good but nje I'm glad ukuthi ngaqala lapho.
Okay, now uqala ke udraw nge-COVID udrawani, are you still drawing lama cartoons lobo wadraw way back noma seyaqala nyalo uthi hayi mani sengayidraw nensaba iphume ibe njengoba ngiyibona?
Okay, ngaqala ngako but then one day ngathi ngingena ka Facebook social media and I saw like people shows umuntu like people my artists are posting 7 days like drawing but the first I couldn't believe was okay ngaba possible ukuthi ungadraw because I thought drawing is just drawing my cartoons or Timoto. That's what I thought it was. But then ngibona abantu badraw abantu njengoba I was like wow. Nami ngiyafisa ukufika kule level leyo but yeah kube cool because like kube nginama challenges like bengingedwa at the same time did doubt because I was like okay ngakuzama instead of drawing my comic books then ngaqala ngafuna ukuthi ithombe abantu nje rekhanda ukuthi make a magazine then uzame ukudraw umuntu. And the whole cool because okay ngathi nangikwenda I thought it was easy but ngathi nangikwenda ngibathi ngiyakhompetha emsebenzini man akulo.
Akusikho.
Yes, but I realized was okay maybe it was the material or maybe bona bafunza ngcono or maybe but I didn't know what the problem was. But I was like okay bengisebenzisa HP until ngakaguqi ngabuka into ngaqala ngafunza tifundzisi because bengiyidwa umuntu ongafundzisa ukuthi was alone and ngilandza into ukuthi ma-artist nebhizinisi nga-associate nawo ukuthi okay mhlawumbe sidebe so bengiyedwa.
Okay, naku kuya-invest umnyaka wonke uyadrawa khona yini obalayelako ukuthi uyati kuthini nami ngihlale ngilayikha lapho umsebenzi webamfu bo-Facebook wenda njani ngalo wakho bakwati njani Thabo ngoba phela mina nje ngeke sengibe happy ukuthi nangithaba umnyaka wonke Thabo uya-invest ayahamba uyothenga i-sketchbook uthenge ama-pencil uyadrawa wenda njani?
Ngaqala bengisaba lokuphosta because angisho uba nalokuthi
but angihleki.
Yes kuba nalo
okay
so ngisaba but then ngathi angipost and people beba-comment ke basho and luckily other artists khona la kangikhona bese ba-comment like sebasho ukuthi okay ushoda ngalana ushoda like kanjalo nje sebasho ukuthi okay nangalungisa lana wente lana ukhaya wente lana kaso wente kaso bengilithola kanjalo then I would go through ama-comment ngibuke nakhona bengekho udezi kangako but I was happy abantu ba-commenta nalakhaya no lakhabe bangisupporta then bakhaya babona ukuthi no kuhle le nto le bangisita ke nabo bangikhethela leyo meeting because not every pencil yaphela ngifuna lenye so bangigedela bangithengela ke laba wakhona because but unfortunately i-CNA yavalwa ngalo mnyaka so yaba ngekho then ngaqala ngayo Webstars nakhona nama-pencil hayi ukuthi bekagcina 6B but nyalo bese ngiwathi ukuthi okay aqhubeka afika bo-14B other material nje maningi kakhulu but sengithi angiwatholanga i-CNA ufake ikhathi nje ngiyabe i-needable eraser kube stamp then ngaka-YouTube ngafike ngaqala ngabuthi okay if ama-pencil angikakhona how to make them work kanjani fortunately ngakhona itakhela i-blending stamp mina.
Okay, that's nice.
Sebenzisa amaphepha because barole amaphepha so ngaqala ngabuka ama-tutorials ngenta ama-blending stamp ngatakhela needable eraser nayo ngaqala ngatakhela ngithathwe lapho ngiyinde phasi ngiyinde ngaleta ndakhe do like we need wenza irabha like until ibe ngikhudlwana-ke ngakhona nga-10 lapho because bengisethe imali ekuyithenga nale-dotcast. Then-ke waqhubeka nje bangisapota and okay ngaqhubeka ngadweba ngaphosta abantu bacala but-ke ama-commission bengisengikawatholi ukuthi abantu bangangicaza ngadweba because like benginganethi inkinga ngaloko kwangakho because i-focus yami besekuthenini so like i-focus yami ngifuna kufana ngifuna kufana nabantu ngifuna kufika naleyo and lebe kwentiya ukuthi bengisengathi ngifuna kufana nabantu nabo bayakhula ngale same time ngisho ukuthi ngibazi nabo bayakhula
kulikhulu lokufika kulesigaba labakizo.
So, but I never gave up, even though they made the cast up, I felt like, but I said I'll keep pushing because it's not about, I'm confident in the commitment and it's about myself. Not one day, thanks it about just the passion. I planted to this studio.
Amarami, Namkabo Shoma, Amadabin. Tabo Shoma, Umdana Putuame, Uti Antigin. Mate are cool. Uqala ngani waqala wadweba thini nje wasibeke emabonzeni but abesadweba na-exercise saqala kumangala-ke nathi sabona from there but nyalo sangumdwebo lomkhulu bengamkhuthaza-ke koShamthabo ukuthi akaqhubeke adwebe because utamsita aye embili kakhulu kona uqalela nzima but nyalo sengiyabona level lakiyo seyingcono nathi sesiyabona na-material oyayithola nala kudwebile sesiyakubona ukuthi cha sekungiko kahle esivele nakubabukela ngabacela-ke koba msite kule material ekudweba kakhulu because vele uhlakhala ngayo ayithenga kancane nangabe umuntu amnika isithombe wabe suyambhadala naloko lambhadale kona-ke nkosami bese uyagijima uthenga kancane nangathola nje i-support yokuthi athi umuntu nakuthi abo mina ngakuthengela i-material kungaba kuhle kakhulu.
Ezisachubeka ukwenda sebakile yini bantu bakuthini bathi yade Thabo siyabona umsebenzi wakho lapha awungidraw ngiphume nje ngoba nginjalo.
Sekwente-ke okay ngathi for the past ngisena 4 years kwathi umnyaka wesibili okay sabuyela esikoleni. Yes but senothi okay I will draw people mahala ngingenandzaba nemali kanti ngidakudweba nje ngikupest but yeah ngikudweba ngikupest thombe ngingenandzaba nemali. Then-ke sabuyela esikolweni nakho ikoladi COVID seyicishe inciphile and ngasi nangitshengisa abotishela babe-design lemisebenzi yami like they were amazed bajabula kakhulu like they were the first people abaqala ukungisapota-ke bathi kodwa sitakubhadala into kanjalo and I was like cause Mr. O tishela wami design lo ngisapothe kakhulu ngiyabonga. So he would like wangibita wathi athi Thabo you can make a lot of money into it. Don't just do it because I know you love it, but you can make a living out of it because it's your talent and your talent. Also can like support I mean to prove you then ngadweba ngamdweba then kwaba kahle nabanye otishela bathanza bacela ngibadwebe vele ngabadweba kwaba ngcono ke lezo sikhathi ngakhona nake bekaposta kakhulu angiposta umsebenzi wami kwa-Facebook nabanye botishela bashela nasesikolweni ngingabachengisa like nje ngajabula because I feel like kwaba ngcono then ngaqala-ke ngathenga i-material even though nale material ayitholakali ngikumbiyala kankwane but yabona i-mindset wathi uthi ikhona but senothi cishe sazini vele ngihambe cishe ukusona ngifuna yes but then wesitasi ikhona but senothi indemitheni
Fisileni kubafundzisa labanye asithi nje nemtalo uyabona unemphana uhlala mbona manazama kwenda ama-dots lapha ahlanganise ufisileni kubafundzisa
ngifise kakhulu because angibuka lama-challenges ngibuya kiwo I feel like kuze lo munye angahambi through wona ngingamsita because nami like ngaba lula for kiwo because nami I've been through a lot but if I can help someone ngingacishe kube lula cishe lesikhathi esibe esifisha kibo if bafuna because kuya ngathi bayafuna bona but nje ngiyafisa ukusita lo munye ofunayo ukudrive phezulu.
Okay ngiyabona ababukeli bafisile ukusupport Thabo but akuthola kuphi bakuthole kanjani?
Okay ngiyatholakala ka-Facebook Thabo Tibo Show naka Instagram Thabo Tibo's Art na nicingo ke-786326 7632662 noma kungishayele swazi mobile 79460626 ngapho ngitholakala khona.
isikhathi-ke ngiso manje sisihlupha-ke otherwise thina besitawuchuba sikulethele bosonkondlo sikulethele nalabo labenta yona imisebenzi yetandla but-ke isikhathi sivele sathi no not today kepha-ke sitawuphinde sibonane ibukele evikini elitako wena nje chubeka udrowe lapha nangabe bosodrowile isekli yakho chubeka ufayite indingilizi khona lokutawuphuma utawumangala utawusho ukuthi nawe mina artist yabona wena Sonkondlo ucala urecite lapha uthi mina ngahamba ngabukela tagcela ehlangene tagcela kuyipoetry lemvumane lesitanza lesiyi-1 nje daba blind utofugcina ifana nami Sonkondlo yelivumi yabona mos sitabona-ke mbukele evikini elitako ngaso isikhathi sifana goodbye and God bless.